In the era of Industry 4.0, intelligent manufacturing drives the transformation of the manufacturing sector. R&M Machinery is proud to be at the forefront of this revolution. We combining advanced technology with superior craftsmanship to redefine the commercial bakery equipment industry. Guangzhou R&M Machinery Company Limited is a pioneer in intelligent manufacturing as specialists in bakery equipment and food processing machinery. We are dedicated to research and development, production, and sales, delivering products that combine precision, innovation, and profession. At R&M, we embrace a design philosophy of pursuing excellence while putting people first. Our dedicated R&D team actively engages with the market research and listening to the genuine needs of every client. By integrating cutting-edge international design concepts with technological innovations, we manufacture specialized equipment that meets the demand of our clients. R&M Machinery owns a range of distinguished brands, including R&M, Hoda, Kalbasin, and Gabo, each of which is known in the industry for its exceptional quality and innovative designs. With more than 30 patented technologies, past multiple international certifications such as ISO and CE, stand as a testament to R&M commitment of quality and strength. We firmly believe that outstanding quality stems from attention to every detail. Every raw material is thoughtfully selected, and we use industry-reputable brand components to ensure our equipment can withstand the test of time, continuously delivering superior performance. R&M has invested in high-end production lines from Germany and Japan, incorporating advanced automation technology and rigorous management system. We continuously strive for better manufacturing precision and high efficiency, which are central tenets of our production process. With a strong focus on quality, we subject every step from raw material selection to final assembly to strict testing standards. Our equipment undergo a series of intensive quality assessment before leaving the factory to ensure their stability and safety. R&M Machinery specializes in two core sectors: bakery equipment and commercial catering equipment. Our main business covers a wide range of products, including various baking ovens, bakery machinery, commercial kitchen equipment, and food processing machinery. We are dedicated to providing our clients with comprehensive, diversified, one-stop commercial kitchen solutions. R&M offer highly ODM services and outstanding OEM capabilities. With a deep understanding of each client's specific needs, we delivering fully customized solutions. From detailed product design to the overall planning of commercial bakery spaces, or the high-efficient large-scale food factory production line, we meticulously craft solutions that perfectly match our clients' requirements. R&M Professional After-Sales Team provides 24-hour online technical support and quick response services, ensuring a worry-free service experience. R&M has established partnerships with numerous well-known brands, both domestically and globally, successfully building a global production and sales network. Our products are exported to over 100 countries worldwide, earning the trust of customers around the world, crossing mountains and oceans to share our accolades. With nearly 20 years' experience in international trade, R&M offer end-to-end services covering product selection, technical support, logistics support, and export documentation. R&M equipment and one-stop service has earning widespread praise from international clients. Each overseas order we fulfill serves as a bridge connecting R&M to the world. Rooted in quality and always focused on customer needs, R&M Machinery aims to be the trusted quality supplier you rely on. In the future, we look forward to collaborating with you, contributing to the growth of the food machinery industry and creating an innovative future in the world of bakery and catering.